Founders Build Log: How we replaced 5 SaaS tools with one CRM. A transparent look at how the team at Meru dismantled a fragmented software stack and rebuilt a single unified engine for sales. When our tools became the bottleneck at Meru, growth wasn't slowing because of the market, it was slowing because of our system. To close a single deal, our team had to juggle 5 disconnected platforms. Every day meant switching between dialers, updating manual spreadsheets, managing scattered campaigns. We weren't paying for software anymore, we were paying for inefficiency. What our system looked like: standalone dialers, spreadsheet-based pipelines, siloed emails tools, static reporting dashboards. Everything existed in isolation, nothing worked in sync. And fragmentation was the real cause. Leads didn't flow, they fractured from one tool to another with no continuity. The result: data leaks, missed follow-ups, broken workflows, wasted capital, lost speed, and zero visibility. Then we realized something fundamental. We can't fix a broken system with more integrations. So we stopped duck tapping APIs and started building a unified core. One environment, one workflow, zero context switching. We didn't optimize the stack, we eliminated it. Introducing Hello Growth CRM, a single system where every sales function works natively together. At the core, AI-powered lead scoring and decisioning layered around it: CRM, native dialer, WhatsApp and SMS, email automation, sales forecasting. No plugins, no patchwork, just one source of truth. So this is what changed. Earlier for calling we were using an external dialer, now it's completely native, faster and way more reliable. For pipeline we moved from messy spreadsheets to built-in CRM with real-time visibility. For outreach we replaced scattered email tools with one unified automation system, which means better follow-ups and higher conversions. And for reporting we went from static dashboards to live analytics. No delays, just instant actionable insights. We removed a $200 per month dependency. Old system had external dialer, API bridges, constant sync failures, and new system, native dialer, WhatsApp plus SMS built-in, all activity inside contact records, no external tools, no data gaps, immediate cost savings. And what changed in just one quarter? 60% reduction in CRM cost, 10x pipeline efficiency, $180,000 in recovered revenue. This wasn't optimization, this was a system level shift. So stop paying for fragmented systems. Experience what true consolidation looks like. Try Hello Growth CRM. Start a free trial, book a demo, seamlessly migrate from HubSpot, Salesforce, Zoho CRM or Pipedrive. Thank you.